So I'll be showing you how to revert back to the default icons on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So find settings, and if you can't find it from there, just swipe down and then tap on settings in the top right corner. Now on the settings page, scroll down to themes, tap on that. That's going to open the Galaxy themes page. Tap on the menu in the bottom right corner and then select My Stuff. Okay. Under My Stuff, tap on Icons, and then you should see the option for default. So select default and then tap on Apply. And that's going to revert the icons back to their default. Simple as that. Now, if you want to, you can go back to that themes page and delete themes you don't want. Okay, so you can delete the extra themes just to save space on your phone. And that is basically how to revert back to the default themes or default icons on your Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.